and welcome back. In this video we are going to learn comparative and superlative adjectives. We are going to learn the different rules of comparative and adjectives. So let us get started. And comparatives, if you want to know the word comparatives, compare, comparatives compare one person, one thing, one idea, one place, and so on with another. For example, London is a city. Paris is also a city. So in this example, we are comparing London and Paris. London is bigger. London is bigger than Paris. Then in this example, I used the adjective big, and this is comparative adjectives because it has ER. London is bigger than Paris. If you want to know why we doubled the consonants, we will learn it later. London is bigger than Paris. So we are comparing London and Paris, and that is called comparative adjectives. Comparative. Superlatives compare one person, one thing, or idea with the whole group. Number one. First, we are going to learn one syllable adjectives. One syllable. What does it mean? It means you can only pronounce, you can only read once. You can read once only. That's called one syllable adjectives. So we have this example, old, old, older, and then the oldest. So when we have old here, that is the adjective. When we want to make comparative, we add ER, then it becomes older. Then here, we always use the before the superlative. Therefore it becomes the, and then here we add EST, the oldest. The second example is safe, safe. Safe is the opposite of dangerous. Safe. Then we add R, because why are we adding R? Because it has already got the E, so we only add R. Therefore it becomes safer. And then here, the safest, we add ST. Safe, safer, the safest. Now we have big. These two adjectives are a bit special because they end in a vowel and a consonant. IG, vowel and a consonant. When the adjectives ends in a vowel and a consonant, we double the consonant. We double. We make it double G. After that, we add ER. Therefore, it becomes big, bigger, the biggest. Similarly, we have hot. It ends in a vowel and a consonant. Then we double the consonant, double T, hotter, and then the hottest. Yeah. We have also fat, fatter, fattest. You can make as many examples as you wish. Number 2. We are moving to number 2. Number 2, we have adjectives ending in Y. Adjectives ending in Y. Well, so the adjective here is noisy. If you look at this, the last letter is Y. Noisy, dirty, happy, there are very many. So noisy, when the adjective ends in Y, we drop the Y. We drop means we omit or we remove completely. When we drop the Y, then we change to I, E, R. Then it becomes noisy, noisier. And then we always use the before superlative, the noisiest. I-E-S-T, the noisiest. Then we have also dirty. Dirty, we drop the Y and then we change to I-E-R. Dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. We also have happy, happier, the happiest. Easy, easier, the easiest, and so on and so forth. Number 3, we have 2 or more syllable adjectives. Why are we saying 2 or more syllable adjectives? It's because we can read this adjective boring twice. Boring, boring. Okay? This one, 3, beautiful. We can read 3 times. Therefore, we call it 2 or more syllable adjectives. What will happen? When we have 2 or more syllable adjectives like boring, we will not add ER or EST, we will only bless or put more before the comparative and then the most before the superlative. Then we say boring, more boring, the most boring. Beautiful, more beautiful, the most beautiful. Expensive, more expensive, the most expensive. Dangerous, more dangerous, the most dangerous, and so on. Then we have number 4, irregular adjectives. Irregular. These adjectives, they completely change. We are not going to add ER or more or something like that. They completely change. Good, then we will use better. And then we have the best. Good, better, the best. But, was the worst. That's how we pronounce. But, was the worst. Then we have for, far, farther, the farthest. Far, farther, the farthest. These 3 are very special and you have to keep them in mind. Now, we have NP. Let us learn some 2 important points. Number 1, we can make a comparison stronger, or we emphasize using much and a lot. Let's look at these 2 examples. London is much more beautiful than Paris. And this is what is making this sentence stronger. If I want to compare these 2 cities, I can say London is more beautiful than Paris. That is just normal. But when I want to emphasize or I want to make a comparison stronger, therefore I will say London is much more beautiful than Paris. Remember, we always use much before the comparative. Another example, let's use a lot. Dave. Dave is a name, it's a male name. Dave is a lot more handsome than Pet. So here, this is the word that can emphasize the sentence. I can say Dave is more handsome than Pet. That's normal. But when I want to emphasize, I will say Dave is a lot more handsome than Pet. So make sure you should also use this way when you want to emphasize. the sentence. Number 2, sometimes we use the adverbs. Adverbs also have comparatives. For example, he works harder. Hard is adverb. He works harder than you. He works harder than you. So, or he is more hardworking than you. Can you come? Early. Earlier. Early, it ends in Y. You drop the Y and then you add IER. So therefore we say, can you come earlier than 8:30? It means somewhere around 7:30 or somewhere around 7. And that is all about our lesson for today. Thank you very much for listening.